Everything you knew about monetizing faceless YouTube channels is 100% wrong. Let's dive into the real secrets behind turning views into dollars. Did you know that according to recent studies, the average view on YouTube is worth less than a cent? But don't let that discourage you. There's a hidden formula to boost your earnings. Imagine this: two channels, both faceless, one struggling to make ends meet, the other raking in thousands monthly. What's the difference? Strategy, content, and audience engagement. Here's where our journey begins, with a character we'll call Alex, a passionate content creator with dreams of financial freedom through YouTube. Alex has been uploading videos for months, but the revenue? Almost nil. Let's explore Alex's journey to unlock this mystery. First, Alex realizes that content is king, but not just any content. It's about understanding what your audience craves. Alex starts by analyzing successful faceless channels, noticing patterns in content type, frequency, and viewer interaction. But here's the twist. Alex learns that the most successful channels aren't just creating content, they're creating communities. Now, let's talk about the magic of YouTube's algorithm. Alex discovers that YouTube favors channels that keep viewers engaged. This means longer watch times, higher click-through rates, and more interaction. Alex begins to tailor content to not just attract viewers, but keep them hooked. Here's the emotional arc. Alex faces numerous rejections, low view counts, and dwindling motivation. But with persistence, Alex starts to see changes. Subscribers grow, comments increase, and watch time skyrockets. The key takeaway? It's not just about the number of views, it's about the quality of engagement. Alex's channel starts to monetize better, not because of a sudden surge in views, but because of strategic content placement, viewer retention, and community building. By the end, Alex's channel not only makes money, but also stands out in a sea of faceless content. Now, are you ready to unlock your channel's potential? Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll dive into the art of video optimization to skyrocket your views and revenue. Don't miss out on this journey to financial freedom through faceless YouTube content creation.